C4 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1984 Chevrolet Corvette convertible conversion. Of course, C4s in 1984, convertible was not an option, but this one has been converted to a convertible. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8 power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 700R4 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. As you check out that front nose, you can see the bright blue paint. Black interior. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated on this one. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, top up, top down, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Check out the chromed wheels, radial tires. I did want to point out there was a couple little spots up here that have been touched up in the front. Overall paint has a nice shine to it, but you may find an imperfection here or there where there's been a little touch up done to it. Let's take a look down this passenger side. I've not noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches down this side. Of course, bucket seats. Center console. Aftermarket stereo, and we will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take this for a drive. And this top functions just like a later model C4. There's a release on each side for the tonneau cover, so it will flip up. Convertible top is stored underneath there and folds up manually. Very simple for one person to do. And I'll fold it up so we can check out the condition of it, latch it, see how it fits, just like any of our other videos. So stick around, we'll get that done. So we get a good look at the rear of the car. You can see dual exhaust. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in the service department. Brake straight. Brakes are 75% in the front, 70% in the rear. Front tires, good shape, date coded 2023. The rear tires starting to show their age a little bit, and he did mention minor drivetrain seat. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these C4s or you like Corvettes in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. There's a good look at the door panel. It does have the Corvette protector for getting in and out. Here's a good look at those seats. A little bit of wear in the bolster, but not bad. Power windows. Power mirrors in this one, tilt column, cruise control. Aftermarket stereo is working according to the technician that looked at it also. And the AC has been converted. I don't remember if I mentioned that or not, to the 134. And as I said, it does blow cold. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, one other thing to mention, the tech noted. The odometer reads 58,719. He did note the odometer was in op. There's a good look at the gauges. Backlighting, all working on those gauges. And if I switch from like oil pressure to oil temp, you're gonna see the switches are working. We're gonna go to coolant from volts. How about down to trip and miles, range, I should say. Range and miles and then range and trip. Or excuse me, miles and trip, miles and range, so that is working. And if you want to turn all those off, you could put them all in the center and they would be off. So it appears all the switches are working and that dash as well.
Every time it's humid, bring your ideas, questions.
light's working good. Pop that hood so we can peek at that in a bit. Take a peek at that engine. Power antenna working. Nice deep throaty exhaust note. That's a rumble. Sounds good. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. We're going to check out that engine bay. And after that, I'll get the convertible top up and we'll check out how that looks. All right, hood up and propped open. There is an onboard battery tender right here also. Of course, the battery located next to the power brake booster there. Not this, but this. In case you got anybody paying real close attention on YouTube. There it is. C4 is a fun car, a lot of bang for the buck. Getting into these without breaking the bank and have some summer fun with this one, especially that convertible. Running smooth. Like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. It's a 1984 Chevrolet Corvette. Convertible conversion. And speaking of that conversion, I think we should probably get that top up. Check it out. So white vinyl top. Let's go ahead, get that folded up. And the convertible top folded up. So of course, manual folding top, easy enough to fold out from underneath the tonneau cover in the rear, rolled up the side glass. You can see how that fits also. Good look above the front windshield. Latches down nice and tight. Would be white vinyl. A few little specks or spots on it, but I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes. Let's check it out. Clear rear plastic window. Around to the passenger side, there's a very small little wear spot. And side glass up on the passenger side. If we needed to keep you out of the sun or a rain shower, it's going to serve that purpose just fine. All right, there you go. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. It's a 1984 Chevrolet Corvette convertible conversion. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com, remember, is where you can check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
This is a convertible. Now we have a top up today. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Strong running Corvette. A beautiful digital dash. Very 1980s. You can adjust some of those displays between coolant temperature, volts. Now they're looking good. The volts are 14.5. Coolant temperature 189. Our oil pressure is 63. Oil temperature is still warming up. It's a very nice thing to have, it's an oil temperature gauge. Between your trip and your odometer, you can change it. Instant fuel rate and average. Also resettable. Beautiful digital tachometer. When you throttle up, you see that green climb. The blower motor works on this car. Leather bucket seats, of course, from Corvette. A little bit of wind noise. here and there from the seals around the top, the soft top on this car. Nice fat steering wheel. Firm sports car ride on the highway. Just the way a Corvette should be. And of course, almost no lean, cornering the way a Corvette should. And a great sound coming out the tailpipe. We have a stereo from Alpine. That is working well. Find all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.